where did Sonny and Ziggy disappear to? Oh, I think I found them. Where did they go? Do anybody see Sonny and Ziggy? Oh, I think I hear them. Oh, Daddy can't fit over here. I gotta go back. It is muddy. I'm gonna climb over. You see the type of stuff we gotta go through to find our princesses? It's a lot of work. I made it over. I climbed over the tree back here. Yeah, and these are pokey leaves, look. This is a treacherous terrain we're going through right here to get back our princesses. Yup, because they ran away from home and now we're looking for them. If anybody see them, drop a comment in the comment section. Hit the share, like button, and that notification bell. Let us know what you think, where you see them at. Where did you see them? Oh, I think I might have found them. Oh, it's getting more treacherous. Oh, look at this massive tree. Look at this massive tree over here. Look.
Wow.
Whoa.
Daddy,
you see?
To the tree,
this is a massive tree.
Massive uprooted tree.
I don't even know where we're at.
Not even all
we stumbled up in another world. Where are we at? We are lost right now. This is the lost world.
I think I hear them. Look,
oh, look at this. Where is this? What is this? Avatar?
Massive underground root networks where they share nourishment and water.
Look at that. Look how beautiful this world is.
How amazing.
Colorful and beautiful.
Remember, guys, we're all one. We're connected to the trees, the land, the grass. We're connected to it all.
Look at this.
So stay tuned and stay in touch. Stay in touch with your stay in touch with nature. I was gonna say your nomadic side, but you don't have to be a nomad. Hey, look at what we found, guys.
I think I found them. I think I heard somebody say they're fairies, and one name is Uma.
I know, I had to come and get you two. You having fun? Yeah.
I found the princesses. There they go. I found them.
Oh, yep, it's that storage full.
I found them. There they go.
Now we're going to go back to our world, our magic world.
Yes, we're going to go back.
Magical island.
Going back to the magical world. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is and colorful. You see?
No,